Hey everyone, Stephen TheSalonGuy here, and today we're doing a women's haircut, and I'm going to be doing a razored bob. So the important thing to this is to establish your base foundation, and I'm using a professional tool called a feather razor. And if you want this, in the Amazon affiliate link I have below in the description, you can pick this up. It's an amazing tool, and it's really, really great for creating a softer razored shape. It does have the guard on it, so it's not just an exposed open blade, but this has been a tool I've been using for probably like 30 years of my career. And what I'm doing right now is I'm just following the head shape, and I'm going to be creating a triangular bob. As you can see, I'm leaving those corners, and I'm pulling the hair straight out, and I'm cutting underneath. And what this does, a razor just really helps add a much softer edge, and it takes a lot of the weight out. Now what I'm doing is I'm going in by hand, and I want to start to create more of the weight in through here as we get towards the corners and the front, and I'm going to go in and do a lot of dry cutting and texturizing. But the key to these types of haircuts, as you can see, is to make sure you have really, really hard, like solid lines. I'm going in with Tidal Wave. This was an older product I had laying around to help smooth the hair out, but Tidal Wave, it's got the new packaging, it's been updated, and I'm going in with round brush, a blow dryer, which you can get on my website. I sell, round brushes and tons of products on my website, and this is really going to give it that voluminous, really, really awesome look. I'm going in dry cutting and just creating that amazing shape. So yeah, there you go. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments below, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to use code YouTube20. That's YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. Thanks again.